Alright peeps, so thanks for joining me for another one. Yo, the last video I do, which was update, it has share like crazy, my tell us thanks. Like it'll make everything just feel worth it. You know more while you do them video and the views kinda mug and I say like myself. I say like John sir, why may I do this? You see me? But this just that one it just it just make me feel happy. You see me, so thank you. Um Yaksta just dropped one named Free My People. Him and this girl named Nicola Jasmiin. Zine, so I go ahead and pre that right now with name Free My People. Remember for the peeps. Like, share, subscribe. Let's keep getting the word out. And music is my drug. I love getting high and that is all I need. You see me? So yeah. Yaksta, Free My People. Right now. I've listened to a lot of Yaksta, but at the first video I actually review, me actually did shoot the videos but just never edit them because the quality never really all that because of bad lighting and everything. But like how the quality is here now, why not? You see me? So I'm going, yeah, so alright, so shark him, shark out. Dead in, you know. Slavery. That may I get from it.
Fight me if you like. If they kill me, 1,000 more will rise. They'll try to scrutinize the advocates of life.
Alright, we can stop right this from now. We can already see exactly which part this will go. I asked for that here pre brother. Well done. But hope you're ready for the fight for real. Zane Kaim already, I say him I get chalk out, That simply means that he's ready for a fight, peeps. And martyrs get slaughtered. You see me? People know exactly what they need to do to change the world, But them afraid. They want to live. And everybody willing to get cancelled because they want them food too. But, Yaksta, if you think that this is your calling, brother, and this is what music should do. It speaks the voices of the masses. If decide, brother, and you are that one, do it, bro. Do it. I want to hear this. When I say, yo, even if they kill me, 1,000 more will rise. Zane, so go on, fight. Fight, brother. I'm still going national hero, Yaksta. Yo, I'm love the saxophone now, but I get a feel, you see me? You know, slavery is against her. Wait there. The Verland does small that. Jano. Yeah, in the win I think Digital Rising Stars. Yeah, that you there. Dog, you find him. Yo, alright.
Fight me if you like. If they kill me, 1,000 more will rise. They'll try to scrutinize the advocates of life. Their lies shall vaporize as they asleep will open eyes to witness the Father's love.
Yo. I'm gonna talk already, I'm gonna say them trying to scrutinize the advocates of life. We are talking about life. Zine, we are talking about what life should be. People are alive but they're not living. You hear man I say? The man say, yo, they're asleep with open eyes. Them not see nothing. Them just a walk through life, going about them business on a day-to-day basis. And nothing is being done. They're not doing anything to move themselves forward. They're not doing nothing to help humanity. They're not doing nothing for better for them generations to come. Nothing at all. What are you then? What are you here for? Are you just a space holder? Are you just a zero? And nobody no one accepts them as one space holder, but they're blind. And once again I said it. A lot of people do not want to be martyrs. Zane, because they know the nail that sticks out gets hammered. And boy, you ever see how hammered you You can't blame everybody. Everybody can't be a leader. You need followers. And that's just it. That's why you have leaders to begin with. Let's see what this is going with.
and he won't compromise. Man tired of the madness, so he a star. Strap up cause this knows the great war. Socially distance if you stay far. Crisis can't prevent wearing face mask.
Alright. Obviously this is going to be one of those videos where me have to stop every goddamn second and pull up, which I do not want to do. But they must say like, yo, how you gonna solve a crisis by just wearing a face mask? Zine, that is not really the crisis, you know. The crisis is the mindset of the people at this point in time, where people don't really care. They must say, yo, just allow it. Who for dead? Just dead. Zine, there's this big division now. First, it wasn't really wealth. Zine, and no, really and truly, it was color first and then wealth. Now, it's the vaccinated and unvaccinated. Zine, and the mindset of the people need to change and just be a unified body, but will that ever happen? Again, we don't know. Me don't know.
Mommy, don't worry about me. This lamb forever gon' live. And I'll never doubt him. Plus I himself shout this out.
Free my people.
Yo.
Demons, free my people. Babylon is going down.
Violence against women. One demon that peaks.
Yeah, free my people.
Drug abuse.
Free my people. Babylon is going down.
For real. This bad.
You need bunch of assholes. Stop.
Okay. Now, a while ago, I hope so the man used to speak to our demons, you see me? And not necessarily, yeah, that top 5 or 1%, but obviously that he must speak to right now in this verse. Yaksta, if I this year doing a bro, just prepare for your war, cause you know how it stay. See me, and the man a while ago, you man start the second verse, you elite bunch of assholes, like, and the man show him 2 feet, Jano start, dog. Alright, you strap up. You're done saying that last verse, you know. Say, yo, mama, this lamb forever going to live. Is it that your thoughts that even if them kill you, your thought will live on and the work that you put in right now will live on? Cause, dog, I'm just saying. You see me? Alright, let's see.
Island condemned like our stones. Livelihood gone, so we are forced to run to them for our source.
Wait. Me I pull up. That deep. No.
Going down.
Where the peaks?
Going down.
You need bunch of assholes. Stop island condemned like our stones. Livelihood gone, so we are forced to run to them for our source.
Yo, there we go again. This man is letting everyone know that he's seeing everything. He's totally awoke. I'm a talk about it. Things where everybody are argue about on a day-to-day basis. But now they put it in the music. This man be vocal. You see me? Brother man, I give you like, how do you do that? Zeno lock off the stores. We can't go to work. Right? And then you say, you are going right now, we're not go hungry, So we have to run towards you. For you to provide for we. When we really actually want to provide for ourselves. It's really and truly just applied by the system, what that the man say. You see me, I'm not really saying I'm vax or anti-vax, I'm not playing any of those cards. It's not the truth, yo. This shit's crazy. Sometimes I wake up and feel like I'm living on a movie, yo. I actually go sleep again and I want me to wake up for real this time. Not knowing if I'm actually awake. Yo, it's crazy, yo.
This is no coincidence. This was planned to implement. Because they know they're in defense. Why you feel like I'm not into them? Be a done separating smartphones. Turn knowledge into binary barcodes. No machines taking over all roads. From government work to a small post. Business the blackboards. A purge is the only way to stop poor. Look up on down buildings and black roads. Unity is a strong force.
Me agree. I mean, me disagree at the same time. Nigga, did you just say a purge? Did you just say a purge? No, words are very powerful, bro. No, man, that's the way I say. I mean, uprising, that's good. You see me, a revolution, that's good. But when you say a purge, bro, mind them people at the sides, and not only black road, no, go black road, and when the people them where them a look for come right, which part them block the road, then pull them up and kill them. You know, say Jamaicans kind of mad sometimes. See, we have sense in them, but when we're ready, we're mad. But the truth still, it has to be fixed, and the only way to get fixed is by getting rid of the people who are really the problem. I'm not saying take away their lives, people. I'm saying here we're going. If it is that you were elected to serve or you were put in a position to do this and you're not doing it, I'm sorry, it's time you go. You see me? I want to say unity, really and truly, and that we have to use. But we have forgotten that somewhere along the line, and I don't know why. We have bought into this whole thought of, I don't know, out of many one people, it's a good thing at the same time. It's like now we have no identities because everybody a fight. Me don't know.
Free my people, demons free my people. Babylon is going down. Yeah, free my people.
Let go the chains them.
My people. Babylon is going down.
You see when I envision Jano Star.
We're now in that time.
Mm-hmm.
When manifest themselves in flesh. And the oppressors would not be so strong if he did not have accomplices amongst the oppressed. What clocks come? Skalai bomb, Bototom, St. Mary's best. I'm gonna have to say the rest. Nicola.
Pause. Me say when you say I go buto top, me hear the backlocks. Maybe me need to get more in touch with my African roots. Cause me hear some African talk in a while when I don't know shit. Yo. Anybody who are pre-video right now, please just let me know what that means if you guys know. I'm certain I'm not the only person who don't know what the hell he just said a while ago. But the man I say right now, I know, brother. Them ones so strong if people who are being oppressed were not still aligned with them. How is it that a man a beat you every goddamn day and is like, yeah, him send you for the belt for go beat? Like that make no sense, dog. That makes no sense. How? You're really oppressed, you know. You're really oppressed. And I'm not saying this as relates to politics or religion or anything like that. You couldn't be a boss at work. You see me? It could be your mother. It can be your father. It can be your husband. It can be your wife. Trust me.
Jasmiin. Scalawags and the Queen.
Oh.
You know thing gonna share this. One dream, one team. Man.
Okay.
What's music? Run a beat. St. Mary. Black Street. Chuba.
Free my people, demons free my people.
Babylon, you're going down. Down. Bada.
Myself a free my people. Babylon is going down. You're going down.
Yo.
You're going down.
Yo, this is crazy. Don't stop running, no youth. Don't stop running. Yo, peeps. I'm Jano. Yo, this was awesome. Yaksta, you did it again, me G. Sorry I said never get to review the first video when you dropped, but you know. I arrived at the party and the bar still a run, yo, everybody still happy, the music still a play. It's crazy. You know, the music, the saxophone in the background, Verlando, you're going good, brother. Then, Nicola, Jasmiin, the singer, the man who play guitar, yo, everybody just did it good. The video itself was awesome. So many times, a video and a song, them totally incoherent. The song I said this, the video said that. Like that make no sense. This is a work of art. From the words, the music itself, the instruments I play, and the visuals. I'm just hoping he's ready for the fight, you know. And peeps, if you don't really sit down and I might as well go on, We need stuff like this. We need more people to actually rise to the occasion and defend what we need to defend. You see me? Now peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe. Let's get this one going as well. Outside.